If you're struggling with access at home due to steps or curbs, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. FACHNUO 2 feet ramp. The FACHNUO 2 feet portable wheelchair ramp caught my eye mainly because of its affordable price of $82.98 and its high load capacity of 800 pounds. I mean, if you want a reliable ramp to make your home accessible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this ramp might be just what you need. Its compact 2-foot length is designed for height adjustments ranging from 2 to 6 inches, perfect for those pesky steps at your front door. Plus, the reflective strips and non-slip surface mean you can use it safely even in low light conditions. The upgraded baffles and guide rails really help keep you steady while you're wheeling over. And with over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear people are finding value in it. Now, some folks complained that the ramp can sink a bit during use. Here's the thing though, it's built to rebound quickly, so while that might feel a bit odd at first, it doesn't affect your safety. If you're using it on flat ground, it's not something to worry about. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight and portable ramp that's easy to store and carry. Skip this one if you need a ramp for higher steps, as it's limited to a 6-inch maximum height. For the price, it's a solid option to consider. Now, if the compact size of the FACHNUO 2 feet ramp feels limiting, the next product might have just the extra length you need. Product number 2, FACHNU 3-foot portable wheelchair ramp. The FACHNU 3 feet portable wheelchair ramp priced at $112.98. This ramp expands your access options with a slightly longer 3-foot length, making it a great choice if you need to tackle heights between 3 and 9 inches. What stood out to me was the advanced safety features. It includes baffles and reflective strips, which not only add visibility, but also help prevent falls, especially during evening hours. The non-slip surface is designed to increase friction and keep you secure while wheeling up or down. The robust aluminum construction ensures it will hold up to 800 pounds, and with over 400 units sold recently, it's another popular choice. However, some users have raised concerns about the ramp being a bit heavier at 16.3 pounds, which might make it a little cumbersome for some. But honestly, that weight adds to its durability, and if you're looking for something that lasts, it's not a deal breaker. This ramp is perfect for you if you frequently navigate between different heights in your home and need a secure solution. But if you're only dealing with short steps, you might not need the extra length. For the quality, it's a smart investment. If you like the safety features of the FACHNU 3FT ramp but are looking for something even more substantial, let's check out the VNN portable wheelchair ramp next. Product number 3, VNN 5-foot ramp. We have the VNN portable wheelchair ramp, which is a 5-foot model priced at $199.99. This ramp is built for those taller steps, handling heights from 5 to 15 inches, making it ideal if your home has larger thresholds. What caught my attention is its seamless design that reduces tripping hazards while ensuring pets can safely use it too. The dual non-skid surface really adds extra grip, which is crucial when navigating those steeper areas. Plus, it can support a solid 800 pounds. Given that over 200 units have sold recently, it seems to be resonating well with buyers. One downside? It weighs 30 pounds, which some might find a bit heavy to carry around. But honestly, that heft gives it a solid feel, and if you're using it primarily at home, that shouldn't be an issue. This ramp is perfect for you if you need a robust solution for higher steps and want something that feels secure. Skip this if you're dealing with lower heights, as you might not need the extra length or weight. Overall, it's a solid investment for frequent use. If the weight of the VNN ramp worries you, the next one may be the lighter alternative you're seeking. Product number 4, THDUGG 3FT ramp. Let's take a look at the THDUGG 3FT portable wheelchair ramp, which sells for $99.99. This ramp is a great option if you need something that balances affordability and performance. The design is compact with a length of 3 feet, making it suitable for steps up to 9 inches high. What I really like is the double non-skid design that keeps you secure even in wet conditions. It also features safety baffles and reflective strips for those nighttime uses, which genuinely surprised me with its attention to safety. Plus, it holds up to 800 pounds, which is solid for most mobility devices. However, some users mentioned that the ramp could feel a bit flimsy when placed on uneven surfaces. Here's the truth though, as long as you ensure the ramp is level and secure, it'll perform reliably. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable ramp that offers great safety features without breaking the bank. But if you need something for very steep steps, you might want to look elsewhere. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Finally, if you're looking for another sturdy option, the Colo Tool 3FT ramp is next on our list. Product number 5. The Colo Tool 3-foot ramp. The Colo Tool portable wheelchair ramp, priced at $105.99, is another great 3-foot option that's worth considering. What I found appealing is its focus on both safety and portability. This ramp supports heights of 3 to 9 inches and is made of high-strength aluminum that can also support up to 800 pounds. It's lightweight at 17 pounds, making it easy to carry and store, which is a huge plus for those always on the go. The anti-slip safety design includes reflective strips and baffles for added security, which I genuinely appreciated seeing in a product aimed at enhancing mobility. One downside is that it might not be as sturdy as some heavier models. Some users noted it feels a bit less secure on steeper inclines. But honestly, if you're careful with placement, you'll find it works just fine. This ramp is perfect for you if you're seeking an affordable, lightweight option for daily use. Skip this if you need something for higher steps, as it might not provide the incline you require. For the price and features, it's an excellent deal. We've covered the FACH NUO 2-foot and 3-foot ramps, the VNN 5-foot ramp, the THDUGG 3-foot ramp, and the Colo Tool 3-foot ramp. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the VNN ramp because its seamless design and higher capacity make it versatile for various heights. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Colo Tool ramp if you need something really sturdy for steep inclines.